Now suppose we want to see that particular parameter details such as a raw data, aggregated minutely data, then we can see that through a tool-based CVM dashboard. So now if we want to go to the tool-based CVM dashboard, then we will go to the maintenance on Digital Factory. So after clicking on here, you will go to the maintenance dashboard. So in this maintenance dashboard, in the report section, under the work center, you will find the tool CVM dashboard. So after clicking on that, tool CVM dashboard will be opened up. So from here you can select that particular tool. So as we have created this tool test and we have configured our tool parameter for that, such as tool ID and spindle RPM, then we can select that particular parameter and see the aggregated data as well as raw data for that particular parameter. So I'll be selecting date 1st of November, all shifts, and for the time period of shift means it will show whole shift data. So after clicking on this reload button, we can see the aggregated minutely data. So as you can see, after zooming in on that, you can see that particular minutely aggregated data for this particular tool parameter. Okay, now what if you want to see the raw data for this particular tool parameter? Then you can check the raw data for last 4 hours. So after clicking on this last 4 hour button, you will see the raw data plotted. Okay, as you can see, this is a raw data for that particular time frame. If you want to see raw data for last hour, then you can click on this last hour. So after clicking a refresh button, you can see the raw data for last hour. Also you can see a particular customized time frame. From that you can select the raw data. So currently I have selected this 2330. Clicking on this apply button, it will show me the raw data for this particular time frame. Also from here you can see the min max of that particular tool parameter, min max values, also standard deviation, point out of limit, all these values you can see from here. Now let's go to again the shift data. So in this shift data, suppose you want to zoom in for particular this graph, then you can zoom in like from here. Also you can zoom in for that particular data. So after clicking on this zoom level, you can set that particular zoom level and it will show you that data for this zoom level. So whenever you are clicking on this shift, then it will show the aggregated minutely data plotted. So in this aggregated minutely data plotted, you cannot see the points out of limit, but if you want to see the raw data, then you can see the point out of limits options. Yeah, like this is a spindle RPM parameter. So like this you can see all the information regarding that tool parameter. So this is currently a run chart. Suppose you want to see that data on the histogram, then you can just click on this histogram button. So it will show you data that data on the histogram also. Okay, so from here you can select the work center, tool and parameter. Also you can customize all the dates you want. So after clicking on this, suppose you want to download the raw data for particular shift or particular time frame like last 4 hours or last hour, then you can select this shift. Okay, refresh it. So after clicking on the refresh button, you can download that raw data. After clicking on the download button, it will download that file. So currently I am opening this file. So as you can see the raw data for that particular shift. So like this you can see that you can download the raw data for that particular shift. If you want to download the raw data for last 4 hours, you can click on this last 4 hours, refresh once again, and after refresh is done, then you can download the data for last 4 hours also. So this is the overall tool CVM dashboard. So thank you.